Alright, so this is a video for all the smoke alarm fans on my channel. Well, I've added on to the garage. So that was the only one in the garage, but now I have a few more. These two, this one, and this one. I took them out of my grandpa's house and just got back a few minutes ago, about a half hour ago or so. I just put them up. This is the First Alert SA68. And then you got a First Alert SA304. Yeah, SA304. Yeah, that one I didn't know was that new. Because he's had that exact alarm ever since I can remember. So I thought that was still the same one, but it wasn't. But it's all right. It's got an LED escape light, so it'll be better. Got a Family Guard FG888D, I believe, and a 83R. I forget which one's the 83R, because one's the 83R label, one's the FG888D, but I guess it doesn't matter. So we'll go and test all 5. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Start with this one. Okay. 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 I think this is the 83R. It is. Yeah. Come on. Come on. The button sticks a little. I'm gonna set you down real quick. See if I can figure this out. There you go. Okay, here we go. Oh, come on. He just worked. There. Now let's try it. There you go. You have to put the battery in a certain way. And last, certainly not least, the SA68. Cool. Alright guys, there is my updated smoke detector collection for the smoke alarm fans out there. Yes, they're yellow. Got 3 yellow ones and 2 white ones, but it is what it is. This one is a no, not F, it's a I-90 40. He used to have a smoke carbon monoxide alarm by Keta, but I guess it went bad and it expired, so he got a Keta I-90 10. And so then of course you got this one. This one was made in 2003. That one was made in 2004. This one was made in 97. I think, or 99, something like that. So, there we go. The light's pretty bright because there are two lights on my opener. Alright guys, I'll do a test video later of testing them with smoke from this candle. See if they still respond promptly like they're supposed to. Alright, oh, and that one, this one, my I-9040, that's what I said, right? Yeah, is nails, because the bracket is so small. But these, the way they were, they couldn't really do it, so I use screws. So, make sure it works. Yes, okay. Alright guys, there you go.